Okay, so what if you could build a side hustle that actually makes money for you, 24/7, but without spending a single dime to get it started? No, it's not a gimmick. It's a real system and it's powered by free AI. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire blueprint. Let's dive in. So let's just get right to it. Is it actually possible to build an online business, an income stream for literally $0? Like no hidden fees, no free trial, then pay up nonsense? Well, the answer is a big, fat yes. And the key is this powerful stack of free AI tools that we're about to break down. And this is the philosophy behind the whole thing. We're talking no paid ads, no monthly subscriptions bleeding you dry, and absolutely no fluff. This is all about a down-to-earth, practical approach that uses amazing tools that are 100% free. This is about giving you some real leverage starting today. All right, so here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about what this $0 side hustle really is. Then we'll get into what an AI hustle stack is, break down the free tools you'll use, cover 4 solid ways to earn, and then I'll give you a 21-day launch plan to get you started. And finally, we'll touch on how to systematize and grow it. Okay, first up, let's look at the big picture. What is this $0 hustle? And more importantly, why is this such a massive opportunity for pretty much anyone right now? So I keep throwing this term around, AI hustle stack. What in the world does that even mean? Let's break down this core idea. Think of it like your own personal digital toolbox. Each free tool has a very specific job. Now, on their own, they're pretty useful. But when you stack them, when you connect them in the right order, they create this amazing automated system that can actually generate income for you. So it all kicks off with the writing layer. We're talking about using an AI assistant like ChatGPT. With this, you can come up with ideas, outline content, and literally write entire digital products without ever staring at a blank screen wondering what to do next. Writer's block? Gone. Next up, you've got to make it look good, right? That's the design layer. Tools like Canva let you create absolutely stunning visuals for your product. I'm talking ebook covers, social media posts, you name it, and you can do it even if you have zero, and I mean zero, design experience. Now, this is where the magic really starts to happen, the automation layer. This is the part of your system that's working for you even when you're asleep. It's capturing leads with a simple landing page and following up with automated emails so you don't have to do any of that manually. It's a game changer. And finally, the best part, the sales layer. This is how you get paid. This part of the stack handles all the secure payment processing and instantly delivers your digital product to the customer, all of it happening completely on autopilot. Okay, so we've covered the layers of the stack. Now let's get specific. What are the actual free tools you're going to use to build this thing? So here's how it all connects in the real world. You start with ChatGPT for your words, your content, your ideas. Then you jump into Canva or maybe Ideogram to create all the beautiful designs and visuals to go with it. From there, you build your automated funnel with a tool like System.io. And finally, you process all the sales and the delivery with Gumroad or Ko-fi. See how each tool just passes the baton to the next? That's the real power of the stack. Awesome. So we have the tools, we get how they connect, but how do they actually make you money? Let's look at 4 proven ways this works. You can really pick any path that feels right for you. You could sell your own digital products like ebooks or guides. You could offer your skills as an AI-powered freelancer. You could earn commissions by building affiliate funnels, or you could create super valuable templates and kits for other people to use. Let's just use digital products as a perfect example of the stack in action. It's so simple. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write your ebook. Step 2, design a really professional-looking cover and lay out the pages in Canva. And step 3, you just upload it to Gumroad, which handles the payment and sends the file to the customer. Boom, it's a complete automated sales machine. Okay, this is where it all becomes real. Let's get out of the theory and into action. I'm going to break down a simple 21-day plan that will take you from a blank page to your very first potential sale. And don't worry, it's just a simple 3-week sprint. Week 1 is all about creation. You're going to use ChatGPT and Canva to build and upload your actual product. Week 2 is all about marketing. You build a simple landing page and then you share it where your audience actually hangs out online. Then week 3 is for automation. You set up a few follow-up emails and start tweaking things. That's it. In just 21 days, your system is live and running. But look, getting your first product out there,
is really just the beginning. Now let's talk about how you can turn this into a repeatable system that you can grow for the long term.
The key here, the real name of the game, is to systematize everything. Batch create an entire month's worth of content with ChatGPT in one afternoon. Use templates in Canva to make your designs super fast. Schedule your posts ahead of time. The whole goal is to let the system do all the heavy lifting for you.
And you don't want to know the best part? You can grow this whole thing without ever paying for ads. Seriously. Just share your journey, post some behind-the-scenes content, teach people your process, be open about the tools you're using. Your content builds trust, and your automated stack, well, that handles the sales. And this is really what it all comes down to, right? It's digital leverage. It's the ability to use free tools to create, market, and sell products 24/7 to a global audience, all without a budget and without a team. This is the new economy. So, the blueprint is right here in front of you. The tools are all free. The only missing piece of the puzzle is you. So the only question left is, when are you going to start building?